Hi everyone, it's Jonna with Jonna Weber Real Estate, brokered by eXp Realty. I hope everyone's having a great January. I'm here with a little market update. I'm out and about today, just met with some awesome friends that are going to be selling, and we went through their house and talked about the market, and it was really exciting to hear what is available for sellers right now. And I thought I'd hop on here, give you just a brief market update of what we're looking like in the Treasure Valley. If you've been hearing anything at all or hearing me talk for the last few months, you'll know that we are in a seller's market. And I will say, looking at the numbers today, we are still very much in a seller's market, and it's kind of amplified actually. So what I have with me right now, I was just going to refer to a couple of stats that just came out from the Boise Regional Realtors of what our inventory is looking like as of the very end of December, which is just a few weeks ago. But we are at record highs for Ada County. The median price point for Ada County for single family homes as of the end of December was $434,900, so just about $435,000, and that is up over 24% year over year. My goodness, can you believe that? And then inventory as of the end of December, our total inventory in Ada County of single family homes was just at 333. And gosh, I think if I were to look today, I think we would learn that it's even below that. So kind of crazy. And then the inventory number of homes on the market is down almost 80% from where we were just a year ago, headed, when we just started to hear just a little tiny bit about COVID. And it's just so interesting to see how COVID has impacted our market with 80% less inventory available on the market. The average days on market is just 19 for Ada County, and that includes new construction. And that's down over 61% from last year. And then if we head over to Canyon County is growing like wildfire. And the good part is there's a lot of new construction, not a lot of new inventory that we do anticipate hitting in the market as we move forward. But as of right now, our median sales price is $339,445 in Canyon County, and that pricing is up 33% year over year. And as far as inventory over there, if you're thinking there might be some more houses, the inventory at the end of December was just 193, and that's down 77% from last year. So we've got our Ada County stats, our Canyon County stats, with Canyon County hovering about 100,000 lower than Ada County, just like before. But it is catching up a little bit. It is very interesting to see. And we are happy to talk through with you questions about various parts of either counties. There's some beautiful areas in both, of course. And it's just a matter of what kind of Idaho you might be looking for. On the sales side and the buy side, really, one question we get asked a lot is like, if we had our crystal ball, what's going to happen as we go forward? Like, is this sustainable? And are we going to be as strong as we are right now a few months from now? I don't have my crystal ball. I do know that the amount of inquiries that we are having come in right now is higher than ever, and there is a lot of pent-up demand. And so one of my agents on my team this week put in an offer, and there were, I think it was 43 offers on a house, and that's entry-level pricing. But that just shows how much pent-up buyer demand there is. So if you're even toying with the idea of taking your money out of the market and selling and maximizing that sale right now, whether it's to move up, move down, move across town, move out of town, or maybe you just have a second home or a rental property you're looking at, that's what we're here for, is to advise on what that home might bring in today's market, just to give you options so that you know if it's a viable possibility or not. The last thing I wanted to bring up to you is I have a little report. I thought it was interesting. I had another client actually that brought it to my attention. It's a report put out by CBRE, which is a commercial real estate firm, talking about, the title of it is 11 secondary markets that are positioned to thrive in the next decade. And they're looking at all kinds of factors. They're looking at population, the cost of housing, airport transportation viability, ground transportation, people with degrees, all kinds of different factors. It's location drivers in a shifting market landscape. If you have curiosity about this report and would like to see it, let me know. I'd be happy to send this out to you. But one thing that was so interesting in it is that, you guessed it, little Boise's in here as one of the 11 secondary markets in the United States poised to thrive in the next decade. So with indicators like that coming out, this is just one example, and the pent-up demand that we're having and the renewed interest from everyone out of state coming into this market, I think we're going to have a strong year. And it's going to be a year where you're going to want to have a trusted advisor by your side walking through the ins and outs of this market. Even as a seller, it's very interesting dynamic when you're dealing with multiple offers and you're dealing with making sure that you're getting the best terms and getting those buyers through to a successful closing. So that's where we come in. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to listen to our market report. We appreciate all of you that have reached out to us about anything that we can do for them. We appreciate more than anything when we hear about your friends and family that might be looking to buy or sell in our market. We would absolutely love to be of service and help them. And I hope you all have a great day. Again, if you're interested in that market report, or if you're not on my emails and you want to get our monthly market updates, please drop me an email at jonna@jonnaweber.com and we'll get you set up. Have a fantastic day. We'll talk to you soon.